In this class, I am going to discuss about linear differential equations and its solution. A differential equation is said to be linear when the dependent variable and its derivatives occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. Dependent variable means dy by dx, its y variable is dependent variable, and its derivatives occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. First order linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. Such type of equations, differential equations, are known as first order linear differential equation. It is of the form dy by dx plus py equal q. Steps to solve first order linear differential equation. First, we have to write the given differential equation in the form dy by dx plus py equal q. First, we have to write the given differential equation in the form dy by dx plus py equal q, where p and q are constants or functions of x only. Next step is we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor we can find by e power integral p dx. P means we will get from the given differential equation p dx. E power integral p dx, that factor is known as the integrating factor. Then third, we have to find the solution of the linear differential equation. For finding the solution of a linear differential equation is y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Integrating factor we can find it by e power integral p dx, that is the integrating factor, equal to integral q. Q we can get it from the question the right side. It's again the function of x or maybe constant. Q into integrating factor into dx plus c. It is the arbitrary constant or integration constant c. First question. Solve dy by dx plus y into tan x equal cos cube x. That is, we can write the given differentiation in the form of dy by dx plus py equal q. It is already given in the form of a linear differential equation. That is dy by dx plus py equal q, where p equal tan x and q equal cos cube x. The next step is we have to find the integrating factor. How we can find the integrating factor? That is e power integral p dx. What is p? You get it from the question. This p is tan x. So e power integral tan x dx. What is integral tan? Integral tan x dx is log sec x. So e power integral tan x is log sec x. Then we can see one result, e power log x. What is e power log x? The result is equal x. So what is e power log sec x? It is sec x. So here e power log sec x equal to sec x. After finding the integrating factor, we can find the solution of the linear differential equation. That is y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into integrating factor. We already find out. That is sec x. Y into sec x equal integral q. That is cos cube x into integrating factor is sec x dx plus c. That is integral cos cube x into. We know that sec and cos functions are reciprocal to each other. So sec x equal 1 by cos x. So instead of this sec x, we can write 1 by cos x. So cos cube x into 1 by cos x dx plus c. Cos cube x by cos x. Cos cube x means cos x into cos x into cos x. 3 times cos x is there. 1 cos x get cancelled. So remaining cos square x dx. Then we have to integrate integral cos square x dx. For integrating integral cos square, we already studied one identity for that. Cos square x equal 1 plus cos 2x by 2. We can apply that instead of the cos square x. That is 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2 dx plus c. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Like we can take it outside the integral. Then remaining 1 plus cos 2x into dx plus c. Next we have to integrate this term 1 plus cos 2x into dx. That means 1 into dx. That is integral dx plus integral cos 2x dx. What is integral dx? Integral dx x plus integral cos 2x. We can see the results. Integral sin x dx equal integral sin x is minus cos x. Integral sin x is minus cos x divided by a. That is the coefficient of the x divided by a plus c. So what is integral cos x? We know that integral cos x is sin x. Integral cos x means sin x divided by a. That is the coefficient of x is a. That is divided by a plus c. So what is integral cos 2x? Sin 2x divided by the coefficient of x. That is, what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So divided by 2 plus c. So instead of this integral cos 2x, we can write sin 2x by 2 plus c. Then next we can see the results for the integration. Integral tan x dx, that is log sec x. Integral cot x dx, that is log sin x. Integral sec x dx equal log sec x plus tan x. Integral cosec x equal log cosec x minus cot x. These results for the integrations are very useful while dealing with this linear differential equation, and we have all memorized these results. Next results also integral sin x minus cos x. Integral cos x dx equal sin x. Integral sec square x dx tan x. Integral cosec square x dx minus cot x. Integral sec x tan x dx equal sec x. Integral cosec x into cot x dx equal minus cosec x. And integral 1 by x dx equal log x. Next results are for 1 by integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse x. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse. And integral 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1, sec inverse. Next result, e power log x equal x. The results also we require while dealing with the linear differential equation. Next question, solve dy by dx plus y into cot x equal cosec x. It is given in the linear differential equation form, that is dy by dx plus py equal q, where p equal cot x and q equal cosec x. So first we have to find the integrating factor e power integral p dx, that is e power integral. What is p here? Cot x dx, which is equal integral cot x is log sin x. So e power log sin x become sin x. Then solution of the linear differential equation is given by y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is, here the integrating factor is, we have to find out it by sin x. So y into sin x equal integral, what is q here? Cosec x. Cosec x into integrating factor is sin x dx plus c. We know that the trigonometric function sin x and cosec x are reciprocal to each other. So cosec x equal 1 by sin x. So instead of this cosec x, we can write 1 by sin x into sin x dx plus c. So this sin x and this sin x get cancelled. So integral dx plus c. So what is y into sin x equal integral dx x plus c. Next we can see another question. It is somewhat different from the above two questions. From the above two questions, we see that the coefficient of the dy by dx is already 1. So here what is the difference? The coefficient of dy by dx is x here. So here the question is x into dy by dx plus 3y equal 5x square. So before finding the integrating factor, we have to make the coefficient of the dy by dx 1. For making the coefficient of dy by dx 1, we have to divide throughout with this coefficient, that is x. Then only we can make the coefficient of dy by dx 1. For that, we can again write the given differential equation and mark it as equation number 1 and divide the both side of this equation 1 by x. Why we are divide the equation 1 by x? Because we have to make the coefficient of dy by dx 1. For that, we have to divide both sides of equation number 1 by x. So it become divided by x. Get cancel x by x, only dy by dx plus 3y divided by x equal 5x square divided by x. That is dy by dx plus 3 by xy equal 1x get cancelled. That is 5x, which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal q. So what is here? P 3 by x. What is q here? 5x. So next we can find the integrating factor. That is e power integral p dx. That is e power integral. What is p? 3 by x dx. we can take the 3 outside the integral. So e power 3 into integral 1 by x dx. What is integral 1 by x dx? It is log x. So e power 3 log x. And we know a into log b. This is one of the logarithmic property. This log b raised to a. This log b raised to a means a log b. So 3 log x can be written as log x power 3, log x cube. So e power 3 log x can be written as e power log x cube. And also we know e power log x equal x. So here e power log x cube is equal to x cube. After finding the integrating factor, next we can find the solution. Y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into integrating factor is x cube equal qx. What is qx? 5x into integrating factor, that is x cube dx plus c. X into x cube, that is x raised to 4. So 5x raised to 4. 5 we can take it outside the integral. Integral x raised to 4. That is x raised to 5 divided by 5 plus c. What is integral x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here x raised to 4. Integral x raised to 4 means x raised to 5 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Y into x cube equal x raised to 5 plus c. Then see the next question. Solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equal 4x square. See here the coefficient of dy by dx is not 1. The coefficient of dy by dx is not 1. What is the coefficient of dy by dx here? X square plus 1. So first we have to make the coefficient of dy by dx to be 1. How we can make the coefficient of dy by dx to be 1? We have to divide throughout that equation by x square plus 1. If you are divide by x square plus 1, that x square plus 1 get cancelled and the coefficient of dy by dx become 1. For that, the given equation we can mark it as equation number 1. Dividing both sides of equation number 1 by this coefficient of dy by dx. What is this coefficient of dy by dx? X square plus 1. So dy by dx here divided by x square plus 1 means x square plus 1 get cancelled. So remaining only dy by dx plus 2xy by x square plus 1 equal 4x square divided by x square plus 1, which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal q form. What is p? 2x by x square plus 1. And what is q? 4x square by x square plus 1. So next we can find the integrating factor. That is e power integral p dx. What is p? 2x by x square plus 1 dx. So next we have to integrate this 2x by x square plus 1. For integrating this 2x by x square plus 1, we have to give the substitution for the term x square plus 1 equal u. The derivative of x square is 2x. That is 2x dx. Then derivative of 1 becomes 0. So 2x dx equal du. So here 2x dx. We can write it as du. So du divided by denominator x square plus 1. What we have taken as substitution? X square plus 1 equal u. So e power integral du by u. 2x dx whole together we can take it as du. Du by x square plus 1 take it as u. So du by u. And what is 1 by u? Integral 1 by u. Log u. You know that integral 1 by x dx. log x. Likewise, integral 1 by u du, log u. So, e power log u, that is u. E power log x equal x. So, e power log u equal u, which is equal to what is u? X square plus 1. So, solution of the linear differential equation is given by y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into integrating factor is x square plus 1 equal integral q, we substitute here, 4x square by x square plus 1 into integrating factor is x square plus 1 into dx plus c. This x square plus 1 get cancelled. So, remaining 4x square dx, 4 into integral x square is x cube by 3 plus c. So, that is the solution. So, next question, x square plus 1 dy by dx plus y equal e power tan inverse x. So, here also the coefficient is not 1. The coefficient of dy by dx is not 1. So, we have to throw out divide with x square plus 1. So, given differential equation, we can mark it as equation number 1. Divide both sides of this equation number 1 by x square plus 1. Here that term get cancelled. So, dy by dx plus y by x square plus 1 equal e power tan inverse x divided by x square plus 1, which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal q. What is p? 1 by x square plus 1. What is q? E power tan inverse x by x square plus 1. So, next we can find the integrating factor. That is e power integral p dx. That is e power integral, what is p? 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. That is tan inverse x. That is e power tan inverse x. Then solution of the linear differential equation is given by y into integrating factor equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into integrating factor e power tan inverse x equal integral. What is q here? E power tan inverse x by x square plus 1 into integrating factor is e power tan inverse x into dx plus c. So, e power tan inverse x into e power tan inverse x. That is e power tan inverse x the whole square divided by x square plus 1 dx. Then we can give the substitution for tan inverse x equal u. The derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal du. So, we can give the substitution here. Instead of this tan inverse x, that is u. So, e power u and dx by x square plus 1, dx by x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square equal to u. So, instead of this dx by x square plus 1, dx by x square plus 1 is dx by 1 plus x square equal to du and e power tan inverse x is u. So, e power u whole square into dx by x square plus 1 whole together we can write it as du. So, e power u whole square du. What is e power u whole square? It is of the form a raised to m whole raised to n. That is the loss of the exponents. That is a power m into n, mn. So, e power u whole square become e power 2u. So, integral e power 2u du. That is integrating. Integral e raised to ax dx equal e raised to ax by the coefficient of x, that is a. We already know that integral e raised to x, that is e raised to x. Integral e raised to ax dx equal e raised to ax divided by the coefficient of x, that is a. So, here e power 2u divided by the coefficient of u, that is 2 plus c. So, y into e power tan inverse x equal e power 2 into, instead of this u we can write tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Then next question, solve x into dy by dx equal 2y plus x raised to 4 minus x square. First, we can write that given differential equation. After that, this 2y we can bring to left side. So it become minus 2y equal x raised to 4 minus x square. Mark it as equation number 1. Then we have to make the coefficient of dy by dx as 1. That's our aim. For that, we have to divide by x. So we have to divide throughout by x. So dy by dx minus 2y by x equal x raised to 4 minus x square divided by x. It become x raised to 4 by x minus x square by x. That is x cube minus x, which is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p equal to minus 2 by x and q equal x cube minus x. So integrating factor equal e power integral p dx. So e power integral minus 2 by x dx. Minus 2 we can take it outside the integral. So e power minus 2 integral 1 by x dx. What is integral 1 by x? Log x. Then we can write minus 2 log x equal log x power minus 2. So e power log x raised to minus 2. That is x raised to minus 2. E power log x is x. So e power log x raised to minus 2 is x raised to minus 2. That is 1 by x square. So solution is given by this formula. We can substitute the integrating factor and q here. Then y into that integrating factor equal q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is x cube minus x into 1 by x square divided by this x square become x cube by x square minus x by x square dx plus c. X cube by x square, that is x minus 1 by x dx plus c. Integral x dx minus integral 1 by x dx. What is integral x dx? X square by 2 minus integral 1 by x dx. It is log x plus c. So y equal x square into this x square, we can bring it right side. Y equal x square into x square by 2 minus log x plus c.